Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on subtracting integers. We also have other videos for any other integer operations that you might need help with, such as adding, multiplying, or dividing. But today's video is focused on subtracting integers. Just a reminder that integers are any positive or negative whole number. Now, the method that I'm going to use today is called adding the opposite. Adding the opposite. And what I mean by opposite is the opposite sign. So if your number started out as a positive, it's going to become a negative. And if your number started out as a negative, it's going to become positive. So that's what I mean when I say adding the opposite sign. So let's look at our first example here. We have -4 minus -3. Now we're going to rewrite this using this method called adding the opposite. We always keep our first number, so we're going to keep our -4. And instead of subtracting, we're going to add. And then we're going to find the opposite of the last number. So the opposite of -3 is +3. And now our new number sentence, or our new equation that we have here, is -4 plus 3, which is -1. Now, if you have any questions about adding integers, you can check out our other video. Let's look at our second example. -4 minus 3. We keep our first number. We change our subtraction to addition, and then we find the opposite of the second number. So the opposite of +3 is -3. And now we have -4 plus -3, which is -7. Hopefully at this point, adding the opposite is starting to make a little bit more sense as you're reading through these questions. Let's look at some that have a little bit of some larger numbers. So -28 minus 12. We're going to start by keeping our first number. So -28. We're going to add the opposite. So instead of subtracting, we are adding the opposite of 12, which is -12. And now we have -28 plus -12, which is -40. Now our last question we're going to look at today is 19 minus -7. Once again, we keep our first number. And we're going to add the opposite of -7, which is +7. And 19 plus 7 is 26. Hopefully this method will help you out with subtracting integers once you get into the larger numbers. If you have any other questions or things you might need help with, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below or go find us over on Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.